Alright, what's up, guys? So, you're learning to code, right? Maybe you're in college, putting in the hours, and then you see all this AI stuff, and you're just freaking out. Why will AI take my job? The tension is, I get it, it's real. So in this explainer, we're going to break it all down. AI versus the coder. Let's figure out what the real scene is.
Okay, so let's just get right to it. The big question, the one that's probably keeping you up at night. Will AI make programmers, developers, basically us, totally useless? It's a valid fear, yaar. I mean, you see these AI tools just churning out code, and you're thinking, "To per main kya karu?" Let's face this head on.
All right, so first up, AI versus coder. Let's just set the scene here. We need to understand why this has suddenly become like the biggest conversation in the tech world.
And let's be real for a second. The reason everyone's freaking out is because AI's new coding abilities are, honestly, they're insane. This isn't just hype. These tools are genuinely powerful, and we have to start by acknowledging their superpowers.
So this is how it's changing the game. First, it generates code instantly. You just give it a prompt, and boom, the code is ready. But it doesn't even stop there. It then suggests smart improvements, almost like a senior dev looking over your shoulder saying, "Bye, you can do this better." And the result of all this? You finish your tasks way faster. It honestly feels like some kind of magic that could make you obsolete.
But wait. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. For all its amazing superpowers, AI has a huge fundamental weakness. There's this whole area, you can call it a massive human-only zone, where AI just, well, it can't compete. And this is where you come in.
This slide just lays it out perfectly. Look on the left, that's the AI's brain. It's based entirely on data patterns. Think of it like a super smart parrot, you know? It can repeat what it's learned, but it doesn't have any real understanding of why. Now look at the right side. That's your brain. It runs on critical thinking, on creativity, and on judgment. AI needs a crystal clear instruction. You can take a messy, complex, real-world problem and figure out exactly where to even begin.
And this is where you, the human, will always rule. Think about it. Can AI truly understand what a client really wants, beyond just the words they say? Nope. Can it design a huge, complex, scalable system from scratch? Not yet. And this is the most important one. Can it take final responsibility for the security and the quality of the code? Absolutely not. AI can't sign off on a project. Only a human can. Only you can.
So you see, it's not about AI versus you. That's totally the wrong way to look at this. The future is human plus AI. It's not a fight. It's the new collab. It's the new dream team for building amazing software. And this collaboration gives birth to a completely new role, the AI-assisted developer. This is you in the near future, a programmer who uses AI as a powerful tool to work faster and smarter. This frees you up to focus on the stuff that really matters, the big picture problem solving, the system design, the actual innovation.
You know, the best analogy I've heard is this. AI is just the new compiler. I mean, think about it. When compilers first came out, people panicked. They thought they wouldn't need to write low-level code anymore. But did compilers replace programmers? No way. They just made them insanely more productive. AI is the exact same deal, just on a whole new level. It's a power-up, not a replacement.
Okay, so all this theory is great, but what's the actual game plan? Like, what should you be doing right now to make sure you win in this new era? Here it is. This is your new coding playbook.
Forget just memorizing syntax. That's the old way of doing things. Your new focus has to be on leveling up your thinking. First, master problem solving and sharpen your logical skills. Then, learn this brand new skill of guiding AI with expert prompts. And finally, use all that new free time to focus on the big stuff, system design and architecture. That's where the real value is. And honestly, this whole thing, it all comes down to one killer line. This is the main takeaway. AI won't replace programmers, but programmers who use AI will absolutely replace those who do not. Bass. That's it. That's the whole scene right there in one sentence.
So look, the fear isn't really about AI itself. It's about becoming outdated. The opportunity here is massive, but it's only for those who adapt. So the question isn't, will AI replace me? The real question, the one you need to answer for yourself is, what's your next move?